Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a bright look since my last look was kind of deep and dark, but then yeah, it ended up like this. It still looks pretty dark and like grungy. But I do like how it ended up looking, even though this isn't what I was really trying to achieve when I was doing this look. I wanted it to be really bright and all lime green, and then once I added purple, I just kept doing more and more dark colors. And it's funny because my makeup from my last video, I was like, oh, that's such a perfect look if I was like a witch or something, but no, I feel like I would wear this look if I was a witch with all the green and the purple, or if I was some kind of like Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, because that green and purple is just giving me Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle vibes. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's begin. Okay, so first I'm going to take that yellow from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and that will be my first transition shade. Why do I look so tired? Oh my gosh, my bags are so bad. Anyways, so I'm actually going to use a shader brush to pack the yellow on instead of blending it first, because for some reason yellow just doesn't like showing up on my eyelids. So I'm just going to pack that on while my base is still sticky. I didn't set the concealer on my eyelids. Okay, so now that I packed that on messily, I'm going to blend out the edges. I'm just going to place just a tiny bit here at the end. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with that teal shade and the same pointed brush, and then just blend that below the yellow. We're just going to keep blending higher and higher until it reaches that top of the yellow. And also putting some in the outer third. Okay, so now I'm just going to cut the crease with the stamp Cut Crease and Tarte Shape Tape. And on top of that, I'm going to pack on that lime green shade. And I'm just going to use a pencil brush to pack in that shade like in all of these corners. Okay, so now I'm going to go with Impulse Cosmetics Pick Your Poison pigment, and I'm going to pack that over that lime green. You don't have to do this, I just want that lime green to be just a little bit brighter. I was originally going to use this instead of this, but it's a little dry and chalky. I really feel like a lot of their pigments are best worn over another eyeshadow, just to make the eyeshadows underneath stand out more, but by itself, I haven't been really liking them. On top of eyeshadows, these pigments look amazing. And that's why I didn't wear foundation. See, and it just makes it a little bit more brighter, like it looks more neon compared to this side. Yeah, these pigments alone, not that great, but layered on top, they make any eyeshadow look really nice and gives a nice pop of color. Okay, so now I'm just gonna redraw that teal color. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in with that teal color and the pencil brush and just put that on the outer third and blend these two colors together. Okay, now I'm gonna go into OPV's Metal and Liquid Glitter in Flashlight, and I'm just gonna put it right on this curve here. Now, so there's some kind of depth and not just all green. I'm gonna use a purple liner. It's not really a liner, it's just a lipstick. This is NYX's Liquid Suede in Amethyst. Okay, I kind of expected that to be a little bit more pigmented. This lipstick itself is really pigmented on the lips, but I don't know, it's not really showing up as much as I wanted to on my eyes. Okay, so that's the most I could do with that purple liner. Like I said, it's not really as pigmented as I wanted it to be. So I am gonna pack some purple glitter on top of that. That might be a little too much glitter, but I really want that purple to stand out. For the purple glitter, I'm gonna be using Impulse Cosmetics Monarch. Okay, so I'm just gonna tap on some glitter glue over that line and then tap on that purple glitter. Okay, so tapping that glitter glue on. Okay, that's better. That's kind of the purple I wanted. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean all that up, put on foundation, lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with that purple, and that's the only color I'm gonna use for the lower lash line. I'm starting to look like a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. I started with, oh, I'm gonna do all green, then I was like, oh, I want a pop of purple, and then it just became this. So it went from lime green to a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. Okay, so now I'm just gonna pop on this green jewel I got from Michaels in the inner corner. So I'm just gonna put some glue on the back of it and then stick it on my eye. Okay, so just like that, and let's move on to lips. This look was seriously just about doing something really bright compared to my last look, but now it's turning into something dark and witchy since I'm going to be using a green lipstick. But yeah, I mean, it's almost Halloween, let's go for it. This would be a really good Halloween lipstick. Okay guys, we are all set. I hope you guys enjoyed the look, and I'll see you in the next one.